Hello, elites. Welcome back to the Amplify Your Digital Footprint Summit. In this teaching session, we're going to talk about, or rather, we're going to dive into the act of prompt engineering, one of my favorite topics, right? We're going to look at crafting the right prompt, as this is key to getting the best out of your large language models interaction. All right? So before we go on, of course, this is the flyer you should send to your friends. Post it on your social media handles. Tag us at Skillsync Summit 3.0. Send your friends the links and make sure to join us, okay? So, we're having introduction to prompt engineering. Now, there's so much in prompt engineering I want to share with you. I'm going to give you an intro in this lesson. Then after this lesson, you're going to have the option to move to learn more, right? That's the second level. Remember when we started this training, this summit, I told you that we have 3 levels to this teaching, right? We have the first level, which is what we are doing now in this summit, for these 2 days, right? Then we'll have the second level, then we have the third level. So when we are done with this summit, at the end of the teaching, I'll show you how to get to the next level. Now, in this next level, we're going to be doing advanced of everything I'm teaching in this summit. We're going to have it in the advanced form. So prompt engineering is a bomb in the tech industry, right? It is a bomb. It is revolutionary. It is God. Once you're able to master the art of prompt engineering, you are a god. All right. So, I'll just be showing you an intro what we're going to do. So much of it in the advanced class, okay? Now I want you to think of prompts as instructions that you give to your AI assistant. The clearer and more precise your prompts are, the better the response you will get. All right, so we're going to do some basic example, right? But for now, I want you to know that a good prompt should be specific and contextual, right? Instead of saying tell me about history, you can just say give me summary of the Industrial Revolution. Do you see the difference? Instead of just saying tell me about history, you can tell you you can even give you the definition of history. But if you specify and say give me a summary of the Industrial Revolution, then you have specify it. It's just like sending somebody to inside your bedroom and say go and get me that biscuit. Or no, instead of even saying go and get me biscuit, that is too much. It's just like asking somebody to go to a library and you say go and get me that book from a library. Somebody should enter library and give you book. How? Which book? Do you understand? So when you're able to do prompt engineering like a pro, you have to stay with me to learn it too. Because I want to give you premium value. You have seen it already now. So by the time you know how to do prompt engineering very well, you'll be able to specify, okay, go to chemistry session in the library and give me a biochemistry 2014 edition. Specifics like that. It will now go and bring it for you. But if you say Chiamaka, enter library, go and give me book. Which book, madam Oga? Which book? So you see, so prompt engineering is all about specifics, right? So let me show you an example. So we are back to chat GPT because all right. So let me show you. Okay, I have some prompts. I have a prompt here. I said, tell me about AI. Let me copy and paste and see what ChatGPT is going to tell me. See, it's just explaining plenty things. Can you see? It's explaining so much. Applications, everything. You see so much. But if I say, but this is a more detailed prompt. Now I said, respond like a professional in the field of artificial intelligence. Write a post targeting young people of age this. Tell me about this. Do you see how detailed this prompt is? Pause this video and read it if you want. Time is going. I want to make this video as short as possible. You see? See, it is so much. But I want to specify this prompt now. See, before I go ahead to even post this new prompt, see what he did. Look at, he added your premium, your single, Valentina Chokmah, growth mindset. This is customized. So I need to digress a little bit. From the previous video we had, I told you how to customize your ChatGPT interface. And from that prompt, let me show you something. Let me go back to this place. I said right here in this place, because this is what I impute in that place. I said I want to customize my ChatGPT interface. I said I love to begin my articles with this word, hello elite, and end it with yours in growth, Valentina Chokmah, growth mindset activist. And if you notice in all my content all over social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, everywhere, you must see me say hello elite when I'm starting, and when I'm closing I say you are premium. That's my style, that's my brand. All right, and I always put my name and I put growth mindset activist. So I customize it to my ChatGPT interface. So anytime it gives me response, can you see it's customized? I hope you are learning. All right, so now let's go ahead and paste the new prompts. I hope you are learning it though. I hope you are learning what I'm teaching you. This is premium value, getting it for free. Just imagine by the time you pay for the next level, or let us, even if I say you should pay. If I say let's pay now for advanced level, imagine what I'm going to give you. If this one that is free, see this packed, see what you're learning for free. Just imagine when I come and say pay. You can imagine what I want to show you. Premium in Skills in Summit. This brand, we do premium only. All right, so now look at how this particular prompt is detailed, right? I asked you to first of all tell me, you should give me a definition of AI application, benefit, flaws, and so on, right? I asked it to sound formal and you should state its points intelligently. Now, this is it, right? You can go ahead, pause this video, and be reading through, right? You see? Why should you care? You see, this particular response now is quite different from the other one. You see, it's different from the other one because this one is customized. Can you see that? I think what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and copy this and put in a Google Doc, right? The response from the first prompt and this second one. Oh, but let me not bore you with that detail, but you can just pause this video and watch. I wanted to copy and paste so that you can see how prompt engineering works, how you can use prompts to specify to give you customized response. All right, so now you have seen how that is working, how that worked out. Go ahead and try it instead of just going to ChatGPT and just saying something vague. Don't go ask ChatGPT to give you a book. Specify. You see the example I gave with the book, right? Use that anytime you're doing, anytime you're interacting with any large language model. Specify your prompt, right? And this is going to help you. I will go deeper into this topic in the next level of training, the advanced one. Guys, I'm going to give you premium. By the time I'm done teaching you, anywhere you stand, they will respect you. They'll be like, where's this person coming from? Yeah, guru. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is an image I use prompt engineering to create. Yeah, it's just an image. It's nothing serious, right? But it's beautiful, don't you think? Alright, so go ahead, like this video, share, comment, follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Skills in Summit. Reach out to us via mail. Write us an email if you want to partner and write that mail to skillssummit@gmail.com. Alright guys, take care of yourself and always remember that you are premium. Peace out.